Those hooks! Hello guys, let's go drive this 1.9 TDI 150-160 horsepower A3 from 98. It's an old car. It has a hybrid turbo, however it's not optimized for the hybrid turbo. It has a remap and 0.216 nozzles. So bigger nozzles, not so much bigger, but bigger than the stock nozzles, and it has a remap, and it got 155 horsepower on the dyno. After that I installed a hybrid turbo, but I haven't optimized the echo, the software for the hybrid turbo, so it actually doesn't give you so much difference. Actually, with the hybrid turbo, car became much more waggy in the low RPM, so you have to remap your car again to take advantage of the hybrid turbo. Okay, beautiful sunny day. We will go for a little bit of driving. It's my daily driven car. It's small, it's two-door car, easy to park. Even though it's 20 years old car, it still gives a very nice fuel economy and great performance with these modes, so it can keep up with the modern cars. Of course it cannot keep up with the CO2 emissions, but that's another topic. Looking for a place. We're not in Ferrari. Too short. The boost really starts at 2,500 RPM because it's a hybrid turbo. It's not optimized, as I said. This is third gear for full throttle. You see, I have little bit of clutch slipping. It's the stock clutch, but it's Westlake, so it's the Chinese clutch, and that's why it slips so easy. Okay, let's go. It revs beautifully up to 4.5, but actually its power goes somewhere at 4.4. and after that the power leaves. Only the RPMs and the wear of the engine comes. Okay, let's go. It's a stock suspension, no any modifications. It's with 15-inch wheels, winter tires, so completely stock car. It's noisy inside. It's an old car, you know. Okay, let's take this turn. Full throttle. It still gives you a smile when overtaking, although it's a diesel car. You don't have the pleasant noise of the petrol, but however it gives you a lot of boost. Step on your car, no matter if it's remapped or not. Always step on it. If it has the right engine temperature, If the engine temperature is not right, you can damage seriously your engine, so be careful. Okay, sunny day, green fields, let's go. Ooh, I'm on boost. Heavily in boost, but the asphalt here is really bad quality, so we have to slow down here. Some knocks from the suspension, some bushings, I think. Very noisy. The gearbox is really short, as you see. That's the 5th gear. But this car is with ALH engine, and it produced 90 horsepower, only 90 horsepower stock. So the gearbox is not made for such volts, or such power. It's really a torquey car. Really, the small cars are the sports car, because you feel the wind. In the older cars, you feel so much the noise, the wind, the vibration. So all these give you a kind of speed feeling, and that's exactly what we are searching. Because if we are driving in a brand new 5 Series with 120 kilometers, we wouldn't feel anything. But here with 120, 40, it's really challenging. It's really nice to feel the speed. Every bump you feel. So the small cars are the sport cars, and you don't need so much horsepower to enjoy. It's all about the weight and horsepower ratio. Very bad road. Let's go on the other side. And it's with a stock intercooler. If you want more than 160 horsepower, it's better to have aftermarket bigger intercooler, aluminum, because you should lower the temperatures in the intake. Because you can blow your engine, you can melt your pistons. Beautiful fields. Oh, I should look on the road. Well, that was my girlfriend's car. She drove it several years before I bought her a Suzuki Vitara, and she's happy with it now. 2019 year. Let's see this little road, how we can cope with it. Whoa, it's a little road, and we can step on it. Whoa, there can be a hose here where you can leave your tire inside the hole. So you should be careful when driving with such small roads. Also the brakes are stock, but they are pretty good. And this car was the one of the best stopping cars with the best brakes, stock brakes I ever driven. It's better than most of the BMW's brakes, because here the weight is not too much, but the gearbox, the brakes really do their job. So it's really a good stopping. You have the brakes when you need them. Always use the gears when downhill in order to stop for you. Whoa, shitty road here. Hopefully no one came, because here the road is really bumpy. Second gear, turn. On too much high temperatures, the brakes are not carbon often, so they get really hot easily. And it's good to mix downhill with uphill in order to have the brakes relaxed on the uphill and the engine relaxed on the downhill. Throttle. Stop here. Full throttle. Don't drive on the maximum, always drive in the safety margin, just to have fun. You're not on a track, so you're not beating any time or trying to be the first for the cup. So drive safe, that's the main thing. Always be ready to stop at any moment, and if you see any bump or animal on the road, said, on the narrow roads you don't need super fast car, you just need a wide powerful car with good acceleration to feel the power, to feel the speed. Fields of green grass. Make some start video, because you want to see how this car starts. Hopefully I will not broke it, because it's my daily car. Somewhere here is the best way to start. is over. I'll try one more time acceleration. Okay, ready, set, go. This time I nail it. Woo! Stop. Junction. Okay, I've done. Whoa, this way. I've done 100 kilometers. We'll check after that what was my time. Okay, so now let's drive more relaxing without putting too much effort. We should cool down the turbos with cold oil. On this setup I am on 1.2 bars boost, so it's not too much boost. Good old car. It's really a cheap car, but as you see, with some modifications for less than 500 bucks, you can get really from 90 to 160 horsepower, really a decent racing car. As you see, there is no any lag, almost no any lag in the power. You receive it almost 1 or 2 seconds after putting your foot down, so it's an enjoyable car. Okay, always leave the car to cool down after driving fast. I want to show you the car from the outside. Well, this is the tractor we just driven. As you see, there are some damages already. The ears has left some scratches on the body, but these are all memories, so it's not always good to have them fixed. So this is it, 1.9 liter ultimate fun machine. Of course, it's a front wheel drive. It cannot be so fun like a BMWs we drove in our channel, but you can have it fun with it. After all, it's a small car with a good stock suspension, which is sporty enough, even with the 15-inch wheels, to give you plenty of emotions and to make it nice experience. So guys, thank you very much for watching. It was a very nice driving of this A3. I actually didn't expect it to be so so nice and so adrenaline feeling. I expected to be more flat, more like it's diesel, but actually it really gives you some emotion, some excitement of driving cheap tuned diesel in a small car. I really like this my new strap. I will leave the link in the description so you can go and buy it for really cheap. It's a really cheap thing which do the job to make the POV videos, so I really enjoy it. It's a good quality. Also, because of this, you see here I have some kind of tattoo here now. Here the people who look me between my eyes and say, what the fuck, is some kind of sectant or something? I think something with God connected, I don't know, some I think some kind of God society crazy man, I don't know. They will think me of a crazy man, but however, thank you very much for watching. I have the head strap and I'll do many POVs when I have free time, so stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel, like, share, and whatever you like. Thank you for watching, guys. You're the best. Bye bye.